This is the edge towards our Kotia, and where I am standing and what you are seeing now is the man who is working. This is slopey area, and actually this is the corridor. This is corridor. The corridor front side of the corridor is a slopey. I think afterwards we can think about um, getting it catched by tiles or something like that. But you can see, and actually this is the portion. This much is the portion. Is actually corridor. This is corridor. Juggling, and this is the our Vastu house area. This much. And these are the points, electrical points, hooks they are keeping.